Good day, sir. I am Kyle Curato Maglipong, a student of PMI Bohol, Bachelor of Science in Marine Transportation. And my section is History. The importance of PMI's 5 resilience is crucial in BSMT because it equips us with the mental and emotional fortitude to handle the demanding and often unpredictable nature of seafaring. It teaches us to bounce back from setbacks, adapt to challenging situations, and maintain our well-being in stressful environments. This course will help me fulfill my dreams of becoming a successful seafarer by providing me with the necessary knowledge, skills, and values to excel in the maritime industry. It will enhance my understanding of ship operations, navigation, safety procedures, and leadership principles, enabling me to perform my duties effectively and contribute to the overall success of the vessel. That's all, and thank you.